Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? Introduction. My name Aini Mabruhatin and EM05 from Agribusiness Study Program Faculty of Agriculture Trunojoyo Madura University. On this occasion, I will analyze small micro business mediate in my area, namely chicken pieces. First of all, I will explain the profile of small micro business mediate of chicken pieces that are in my area. This chicken small micro business mediate is a small scale business conducted by one family in the Pakat area of Pamekasan district Ban. This chicken is a privately owned business owned by Mr. Lukman Ansori. This small micro business mediate consists in 2015 and is a long-standing small micro business mediate because it has been established for about 5 years. The initial capital for this chicken cut comes from the private capital owned by Mr. Lukman Ansori, and the business has no employees because it is managed by itself with his family. Next, I will analyze about small micro business mediate cut chicken owned by Mr. Lukman Ansori. Financial management recording, accounting, and financial report. The financial statement of this business are always calculated recording the inventory and disinventory. The report is made and managed by the owner himself. Next, I will show an analysis of this chicken business ratio. The analysis is in the form of fixed cost, variable cost, and many other that can be seen in this PowerPoint. Financial management recording funding. The source of the business capital comes from the owner's personal fund and the debt. Financing comes from the sale of the chicken. However, this chicken-made business does not make business investment because it is a small-scale business. Production management. The production resources of this cut chicken business are in the form of chicken seed and chicken food. Mr. Lukman bought the seed and chicken food with good quality in order to make consumers feel satisfied, while the business location for laying hens is in the Peltong area of the prohibited district of Pamekasan district. Meanwhile, the location of the chicken coop is near the owner's house, and production supervisor is supervised 3 times a day in the morning, afternoon, and evening. The purpose of this supervision is to control the feed or dying of chicken and the condition of the chicken. Financial management recording, accounting, and financial report. The financial statement of this business are always calculated recording the inventory and disinventory. The report is made and managed by the owner himself. Next, I will show an analysis of this chicken business ratio. The analysis is in the form of fixed cost, variable cost, and many others that can be seen is in this PowerPoint. Information System and Technology. The information system carried out this by Mr. Lukman as the owner of this chicken business is by recording all incoming and outgoing transactions using existing applications such as recording and a book. Risk management. The owner do several ways to deal with the risks that will occur to avoid losses that will occur, like cleaning the deaths caused by the chicken so that it does pollute the environment. Mr. Lumad processes the chicken mount to make fertilizer. Then Mr. Lukman checks regularly to monitor the risk of death or crop failure in bloods. That's all the analysis of small micro business mediate for chicken that I can cover in my area. More or less sorry and happily. Yuseful Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.